Hello, so we're going to be talking about this wig. I'm restoring some wigs for Best Wig Outreach. And so in this situation, I'm pretty sure, I'm not positive, but I believe this is a bell tress wig. A lot of times when we get wigs like this, you don't really know are they heat safe, are they not heat safe? So in this scenario, I had already treated this wig. I used the silicone treatment. Hello, it's Tia, wig coach and wig educator here on YouTube. And so you saw the wig before. Now I'm going to show you the sort of the detangling process after I did the silicone treatment. After I've already done all that, so I have to detangle it. So if it's already been washed with the silicone treatment, I do have videos on that technique specifically. I'm going to go ahead and detangle this wig, and then I am going to come back with a voice tutorial for you on how I got it to a beautiful end result. I trimmed off, you can see because I didn't do this side yet. This part of the wig is fine. It feels soft. It feels very, very good. So I'm not messing with this part of the wig at all. What I'm just going to do is concentrate on these ends. So far I have trimmed these down, okay? And then what I did was I took this wig leave-in conditioning spray just along the bottom, because there could have been a little more that I could have taken off. So I just concentrated there. Then I took my blow dryer on very low heat and my round brush, and not even low heat, it's like on low, it's like barely heat, and concentrated just on the bottom. I was able to sort of rehab that bottom. So if I wasn't able to rehab that bottom, I still have a few inches I could come up and trim off to where the wig is in great condition anyway. But this way I could test out to see if that little bit of heat, along with being wet from the wig conditioning spray, would allow me to keep some of it or not. And I wouldn't really be risking anything because I had identified potentially cutting from here up anyway. But I do think that we can kind of leave a few more inches than I initially thought. So I'm going to go through and finish the rest of it. This side seems to be a little bit more damaged than this side, so we may have to come up on this side just because I may have to come up on this side. But yeah, so that's a little tip or trick that you can utilize with your own synthetic wigs.